Okay everyone, welcome back again to another Foxtech video, and today we're talking about how you can access the recently deleted photos on your iPhone. This is a great feature that can save you if you've accidentally deleted a photo and need to recover it. Let's dive right in and see how it works. The recently deleted folder is essentially a temporary holding place. The photos and videos stay there for 30 days before being permanently erased, giving you a second chance to recover them if you need it. It's like the trash can on your computer. Items stay there until you empty or until 30 days pass. But to find this folder is pretty simple. Open the Photos app on your iPhone, then go to the Albums section, scroll down past the various sections like Favorites, People, and Places, and near the bottom you'll see a section labeled Recently Deleted. This is where all your recently deleted photos are stored. Now, you might encounter an issue where you need to authenticate yourself with Face ID or passcode to access this folder. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized access to your deleted photos. To gain access, simply use Face ID by scanning your face. If Face ID fails a few times, you'll be prompted to enter your passcode instead. Once authenticated, you'll be able to see all your recently deleted photos and recover the ones that you need. If you find this authentication process annoying and prefer to access the recently deleted album without it, you can disable this feature in the settings. Here is how you can do it. Open the Settings app on your phone and scroll down and tap on Photos section. Look for the toggle labeled Use Face ID to switch it off. By disabling this, you won't need to authenticate yourself to access the recently deleted album, making it quicker and easier to recover your photos. And that's it. Now you know how to access and manage your recently deleted photos on your iPhone. It is a simple process but incredibly useful. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Foxtech for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and until next time.